Now then, how are we all doing? Nearly from NTD Electrical Services, just doing a quick video on the SRJK-PLUS from superrods. Had a few cables to pull in on this in this warehouse. Basically, got a couple of circuits across there and one over there next to the nice big pile of scrap. Yeah, so basically I pulled these in yesterday, tried to video it, but it was a massive failure. So I thought I'd just do a quick video and show you the ins and outs of it. So I had the 6mm on the top, 2.5 on the bottom. Yeah, and it made the pull nice and easy. There is a extra drum of one brown behind there, and that is because one of the circuits is 3-phase. In fact, two of the circuits are 3-phase, but also there's only one in stock. So I'll just quickly pull one of these just to show you how well it works. So as you can see, apart from the drum being a bit chonky and the cable being a little bit less than straight, shall we call it, yeah, it's an absolute dream. Having a couple of tiers has also made it even easier. Rather than having to do the 6mm and take them off and put the 4mm on, sorry, the 2.5 on, it made the job nice and easy. Yeah, so basically there's my cables there. I set them up there, put a bit of protection over that corner using the super rods and the cable sock. Right, so pull them all the way down across here, have that corner out, fed them round, sent them onto here. Don't quite know what that white cable is, but I'll have a look at that in a second. And yeah, they've basically come to here. Got 3 outlets going there, and then we also pulled a 10mm all the way down and round. That sounds like my lunch has just turned up. All the way around to here. Bit of a challenge on your own, but it is what it is. You can't win them all. But yeah, that is the SRJK-PLUS. I'll do a video later on about putting it together in storage. But yeah, cracking piece of kit. If you've got loads of cables to pull in, ideal for you. Take care, everyone.